Traders and soon to be successful traders, and also just fans who likes watching my videos because I'm very charming and very funny. So welcome to the next video where I'm gonna share with you my trading zones where I trade my strategy that I basically described you in the previous video. So you're very welcome. So these are my zones for this week. Let's start with the coin that I trade. Name is Phantom, owned by the one of Timothy Sykes' students. Lives in Dubai, buys a lot of unnecessary crap. So this is the Phantom coin and the zones. The coin is quite good though, and he's a great guy. You know, this was just a joke. Let me move myself here. These are the zones where I'm actually going to trade the strategy from. I explained you the strategy in the previous video. I have 2 videos on my YouTube channel. Shouldn't be hard to find. So look it up. And these are the zones. Like, so if the price like now is coming from above, you want to be buying in this zone, basically selling in this zone. And you can just pause the video, you can screenshot my chart, and you can use these zones to trade the strategy. So basically you will be zooming down to the 15-minute chart, just to remind you of the strategy, looking for like a pin bar or engulfing entry and go for 3-to-1 profit. So this is Phantom. Let's move on. Now we have Luna, like all-time favorite by all the crypto traders in Bali. And here we go. These are my Luna levels. Like, there was a beautiful long here yesterday from this zone. And this is going to be the resistance zone where we're going to be looking for shorts. And then also here and eventually here. But I think for this week, this is all you need. Like, it looks like we're going up. So we might actually, by the end of the week, if we're lucky, we might actually reach this zone. And then, of course, there's one which is here in the all-time high. I don't think we're going to be there within a week. But these are the zones, exactly the zones, you know, like no cheating, which I'm going to be trading this week on Luna. And we move on to this Mana token. Fun fact, I don't know much about cryptos. I'm a Forex trader I come as a Forex trader. So I don't know what these things do, you know, just, you know, and you don't have to be like worried about it, you know, because for trading something and day trading something, you don't really need to know much about the coin. You just need to know how it moves and so on, if it fits your strategy. So these are my zones, levels I use for Mana, Decentraland. I think this is some coin which is used for gaming, but I'm not sure. You know, you can see that you don't have to be expert on crypto to trade crypto. You don't have to care. You can be, you know, really, really like rude and just don't care what you're trading, just be in for the money. And so these are the zones. Like recently we were in this range, so it looks like we just, you know, touched here and we're going on the top of this range. Let me remove myself from these zones. So this is basically the zones which I'm going to be trading this week for Mana or Decentraland. There you go. You're welcome. And let's move to the Kava. Kava, fun fact about Kava is like Kava is coffee in Slovakian, in my mother language. That's all I know about this coin that I'm trading, you know. So once again, just showing off my knowledge, my endless knowledge about crypto coins and how much of an expert I am on them. So we're in heavy downtrend. These are the zones I'm actually looking at. You know, once again with the strategy, you know, if we're built, you want to go short here, and when we touch here and you get confirmation, you want to go long there. Once again, very simple. It's like 3-to-1, take profits. With Kava, you don't even have to move stop loss to break even, because Kava tends to start moving, then retrace, and then really go in the direction. I actually missed a short trade right here. Because I was doing something. I think I was actually drinking coffee. So I missed the Kava trade. Quite interesting, isn't it? So these are the zones for the Kava, where I'm going to be exactly trading Kava zones. And then I will bring you the results. Like by trading these zones, using my strategy, what are the actual results? So there's like nothing to, you know, then you can revisit this video and see like if I if the zones I spoke about were valid and where I took the trades and how it worked out, and you can do the same. And the last one is Atom or Cosmos, and I have like completely zero ideas what is this coin. So I'm not even going to get into it or joke around it. This is super simple, like, and it trades like we're in this range, and this range, like I delete these trades, but there's like quite a few of them. Like this is just like a gift that keeps giving. Just going long here, going short here. It's like super simple. Made a lot of trades. Last week you could make like 6% with like 0 losses just on this pair, by this super simple range. So these are the only zones that are currently in play on Atom. So you zoom down to the 15-minute charts and look for engulfing or pin bar entries. And that's it. For day trading, it's like super simple for day trading. That's it. And now, let me skip to the other topic of this video, more educational, where I'm going to explain why like Hollywood and trading gurus are actually in the way of you making money in trading, and they're actually keeping secret the biggest secret to success in trading. So let me move to my beautiful graphical design. Moving up. Here we go. So, number one thing, like this is basically, you're mostly, when you hear about trading, like you're messed up by Hollywood, because what you see in the series and the movies, you see like the main character, as you could guess, this is Matthew McConaughey from the Wolf of the Wall Street. Like, you're welcome. My artwork is really great. And usually what you see in the movies is like the characters, or like the shitty series, the Billions. I mean, it's not shitty, it's like very entertaining to watch, but it's so damaging to your mindset to watch, because it just shows everything that could be wrong with trading and everything that could be wrong with how you use money to have a happy life. So yeah, don't watch the show Billions, like it's a crap. For your mindset. It's fun, but like it messes up your mind. Anyway, back to my point. My point being here is that this is the main character, which somehow gets a phone call. As you can see, he has a phone in his hand. If it's like a trading movie from the 80s, the phone also has antenna. So this is like a little screen, buttons. And he's got a phone call. Somebody tells him like, hey, just buy this stock or buy this or sell that. And that's it. That's how he makes money. I'm not sure if the money symbol is like this or if it's like this. But anyway, then he makes money. And also like what a lot of people like miss is that eventually this person goes to jail. So eventually he ends up being in jail, but this is like what people don't see. But this creates the misconception that trading is all about getting that one phone call about the one tip, which is gonna like make you or break you. And this is exactly what the trading gurus take advantage of, because this is like somehow like when you don't know nothing about trading, you just seen it in 1 or 2 movies, like this is, and then you're like, oh, maybe I want to trade. So this is exactly what trading gurus are going to take advantage of. And they're going to be telling you like, oh, well, I have the secret strategy. I have the secret information. I have the one thing which is actually going to make you successful. And they don't, because there's no trading secrets in trading. There's no one strategy that's going to like make you successful forever. There's no one information. And why is this? Because trading, you have to look at trading as a skill-based endeavor. Just like, it's the most, I would say like similar thing to trading is doing sports. Let me make myself bigger because I'm going to be talking now and I'm very interesting. Voila, I'm bigger. Because trading is a skill-based endeavor. And, think about it. Like if Michael Jordan would like tell you like, oh, this is like the best way to throw a ball, how to score the 3 points. Like if you get that information, would you be able to do the same? Like most likely not. You still have to do your trading. You have to do your throws. And this is what trading is. Trading is a skill-based endeavor where you start doing something and you eventually you suck. For like you start and you suck and eventually you get better and better and better. And that's the secret of success in trading. Like, that's it. That's super simple. It's a skill-based endeavor. It's not a secret-based endeavor. And if you would actually, and this is like the sad reality of all of this. So let me go back to my drawing, because I want to show you the sad reality of this. It's like the sad reality. This is going to be like somebody who's really sad because he's already, been looking for the trading guru, for the magical indicator, for the magical strategy for 2 years. And he's just like, he doesn't have a lot of hair left anymore. He lost most of his hair. Probably, very upset at this point, losing faith in life. These are his little hands. So if this person would actually just stick to practicing his trading skills, like support resistance, trend lines, trade management, and everything, then he would probably be already successful. But people spend more time looking for ways how to be instantly successful than actually, just training their trading skills and becoming successful and better all the time, because they just keep looking for the gold mine, the one strategy that, like, oh, just do this and Lambo tomorrow. Like, we would all like to have Lambo tomorrow, but that's not the reality of the trading. So this is it, the zones for this week, and also my quite genius insight, like how is Hollywood and trading gurus actually messing you up and standing in the way of you being a successful trader. And also a simple solution: just invest into your trading skills, practice on the charts, backtest a lot, and that's what's gonna make you a successful trader. And I'll see you very soon with another video and updated trading zones. Adios.